So with the tops, I think we did pretty well. With the outfits, not so much. So herein lies the struggles. They sell hair, they sell makeup, you name it, they have it. What is up, YouTube? It is Reagan here, and welcome back to my channel. We have a Temu haul. Yes, so I have seen this circulating. I first saw it on Facebook and was like, is this a scam? Let me try it out. So this is actually my second time ordering from Temu. Temu is an American-based company out of Boston, Massachusetts that allows you to partake in wholesale prices for the products that you need for your home, for your clothing, for your wardrobe. I ordered several things, so this video will probably be chopped and screwed a couple times. Without further ado, let's see what I got. So they do offer perks to ordering with them, with offering you credits. They also have daily ways that you can save money, spin the wheel, different little things, different little gifts that will pop up along the way. So it's definitely worth trying out if we have some quality products. Now I will say I ordered my outfit that I wore to the Glorilla concert from Temu now. And it was a cute outfit. I was really impressed with the quality. I was really impressed with the comfort of what I chose to wear. Y'all, I'm gonna be here all day. So the first thing I have here is this little crop top in an olive color. The fabric, it is pretty thin. It is a large. Ooh, come through, Temu, come through. I'm loving this. This just kind of really embodies my spirit. You know, kind of casual, sexy type. That's really my energy. That's the energy I like to put out into the world. So I love this look. I love this top. It fits really well, like you're not having to constantly adjust it. But I feel like it's cute. What you guys think? Pair of jeans or a cute little skirt, just whatever you want to do. And you look springy, you look ready for summer. I'm loving it. Okay, y'all, so I feel like I'm doing a spot on That 70s Show. These pants are actually really comfortable. I got these in a large. I'm usually a size 10, so they fit pretty well. But I mean, do they look right, y'all? Do they look like grandma? I don't know. But they do have the wide leg at the bottom, as you can see. This is the little black acrylic top that I was saying that you could probably pair with a pair of jeans. But yeah, I probably wouldn't pair it with this though, because like I said, I feel like these pants require a certain look. I do like the feel. I don't know, how do they look, guys? Like, is this a bust? You guys see, I tried to put on my little orange get up. This is from Shein. Just one of their maxi dresses that I love. What in the world is this? Girl, I don't even know what to say. Oh, it's a dress. It is a tube dress. I was about to say. But the interesting part about this outfit is that it has pockets. It does have pockets. Now, I love a good one-piece dress, one-piece outfit. It's just easier to get dressed and get ready and get out the door when you have outfits like this. Just go. Okay, guys. Now, this one, I'm loving the fact that it has pockets, but you don't have to wear a slip with this, for real. Like, I'm gonna need for you to go run and tell that Temu, we need a little bit more, you know, fabric in the fabric, if that makes any sense. But this will make a good bathing suit cover up. If you're going to the beach, you know, you do have pockets to carry some extra stuff. If that is the case, I love that it is pink. You could wear it, but like I said, you're probably gonna need something under it, because I feel like you can kind of see through it. I don't know. You get in the sun, it's gonna be it might be a little messy. But I do love the length. It actually comes all the way down to my ankle or past my ankles. So it's a good length. I think it would make a great bathing suit cover up and just maybe a good staple dress for just like around the house. So girl, jury's out on this piece. I don't know. I think we got 2 strikes. Oh, yes. This is that cute little half shirt. Why did I got several half shirts, guys. Look at this. Cute little half shirt. It has a little sliver, a little hole here in front. I bet you it's going to be adorable on. I think this is super cute and super edgy to pair, either dress up or dress down. So I chose in this look to just kind of dress it down with a pair of jeans because this is probably how I would wear it in the summer. I am loving it. It covers enough. You're probably not going to be able to wear a bra with this maybe. Unless you have a pretty tiny like strapless bra. But I really, really think it's cute. Ready for the beach. Ready for a nice stroll downtown. It's cool. I like it. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Now, another thing too, like I've had my tummy tuck, right? And a lot of the things that I wear now, I really didn't get a chance to wear. So I just wear what I want to wear at this point. That's kind of how I rock and roll. But I will say I am 43, getting ready to celebrate my 44th birthday. And I mean, if we're 44, how do we dress? What do we wear? You guys comment below and tell me what you guys wear. Because I'm like, I wear what I want. But that's just me. Now this I'm excited to wear because I will be doing a white dress haul. You guys know it's white dress season. But this is really, really cute. And this holding it here, I'm sure is not doing it any justice. So we will try it on. Okay, so here is the white dress. I think it's just absolutely cute and dainty. Very comfortable for the summer and the spring, guys. Just cute, cute, cute. Look at the back. I don't know if it's tied right. I had to tie it by myself, but the back is kind of cute. And I think it's comfortable. I definitely probably should have steamed ironed it, but I didn't. So this is what you guys are getting. And last but not least, you guys know that we can't leave a haul without having something in black. Little black dress. I'm loving it. It's not too clingy. It's comfortable. You can definitely wear it and still be cool, even though it is black. What you guys think? Girl, I'm telling you, in this one, I probably needed a large. This is a medium, and it is like fitting me super, super snug. It has a little skirt in front, or underneath. It has a little skirt underneath to kind of give you extra coverage because the slit in the front is kind of high. So I like the design. I just don't know if I like the design on me. I feel like with this one I should have sized up. It probably would have been a little cuter if I would have. I also don't like the fact that you can see this tag. We'll have to cut that out for sure. But yeah. Final word on Temu. Definitely either read the reviews that are pictured, because some of the items do have pictured reviews at this point, and see how the fit is, see how the quality is. I think out of all of the outfits, there are 2 that I could have done without, and that is the dress and the top and the skirt piece. But I will still wear those because those can be just like beach outfits or just outfits around the house. So you really can't lose, but I could have chosen maybe something a little different. The quality on those pieces are not the greatest because you can see through the fabric, and then in the other outfit I probably should have sized up a large, so that's not their fault, that's mine. But at any rate, I really am excited about the things that I did get from Temu that I really, really like. So with that being said, definitely check out the site, check to see if they have things on there that you might need for your home, or for your clothing ideas, just little bitty things that are going to be eccentric in your wardrobe. T-shirts, simple little dresses that you can kick around in the summertime, because as you know, you guys like to be comfortable when it's hot. You like to be comfortable. So definitely check them out. Once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment down below which outfit was your favorite, and to like and subscribe and become a part of the Dutch and Duchess crew. Without further blabbing, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.